this is what I used to use. Then I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go on Amazon right now. And look. Hey Cookie Mamas, I got a box and I'm so excited. So I just wanted to share it with everybody. If you stay tuned, I got a sweet tip for you at the end. Okay, so lots of questions about storage and storing things. This is what I used to store my cookies in. So, and that's like pre-decorated cookies. So I would bake them, and then a lot of times like bake one day and then I'm not decorating until the next day. Otherwise, I'm not getting any sleep. So I have several of these, which I got them for like 4 of them, I think for maybe, I don't even know, like $4 or $5. And they're Rubbermaid, so they definitely work. And what I would do is I would layer my cookies in here. And like I said, I had quite a few of them if I had a larger order, and just stack them all up, keep them fresh, keep the cookies really moist, which is awesome. I don't like the word moist. Anybody else agree? Okay, so this is what I used to use. Then I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go on Amazon right now. And look, I haven't even like taken it out of the packaging yet. I did open the box because I was like, actually, I think my hubby opened the box because he didn't know what it was. And we ordered a bunch of like light fixtures. So he thought it was a light fixture. Surprise! Yay for Mr. Amazon. Okay, look! Oh my gosh, it's even cuter than I thought. I didn't think it was going to be cute. I just thought it was going to be functional. Okay, so yay for cute and functional. Where do I open it? Where's the opening? Ah! Okay. Look! It's like a cookie caddy. I don't even know if that's what it's called. I don't even remember. But you'll find the link in the description. So make sure to check that out. Look at this. It has layers like an ogre. Okay, no. Name that movie. Look. So it has, okay, so the sides have these little latches, right? You can see here. And then it's got layers. So I could totally fit like probably 2 layers with how thick my cookies are. And then they all stack together, and then this snaps on the top, and it has a carrying handle. And I don't even know what this is. Look, do you see this? It has like, I don't even know. Is this like a date for the date? I totally think it is. Okay, so this has like, it's got little dots. I don't know if you can see. It has little dots, and then it starts at 1, obviously. And then it goes all the way to 29, 30, 31. So it's totally got to be like for the date, but I guess you could use it for whatever you want. Maybe you like have to stop in the middle of baking and you don't remember how many cookies you made. I don't really know. So, but it like turns, and it's got like a little arrow. I don't even know what I would use that for, but because who's really keeping cookies in here for that long? However, it just occurred to me. If you're putting this whole thing, and if you're freezing cookies, this would be great because maybe you're just freezing circles and you just need to keep a bunch of them like in a chest freezer. That would be totally cool. How much it was on Amazon? I put it in the description because I don't remember offhand, but it will be in there. And you can also click the link and just see what it is on Amazon because it's amazing. Here's that tip. When I put my cookies in here or in here, if you're going for the economy version, I'm all about cooking on a budget. When I stack up my baked cookies after they've cooled off, you don't want any condensation in the containers. After they have cooled off, I put paper towels in between. Maybe not be mind-blowing, but it soaks up some of the grease from the butter in your recipe, and then it just keeps them all fresh and keeps them separated. Keeps them from sticking together so you don't have like weird textures on the surface of your cookie. Then I don't feel bad about layering them. I can get a couple layers in there. And here I would put literally like I would stack, I don't even remember, like 5 or 6 layers of cookies. So this is like my new thing. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.